So I think weeds get a bad rap because they take up some garden space. They might take up some minerals and nutrition for your plants. But to be honest, I actually love weeds, and I think that they're just misunderstood. And weeds help to provide oxygen to your other plants. And oxygen is actually the highest paramagnetic material on Earth. So you need a lot of oxygen to help your plants grow. The oxygen serves as a paramagnetic antenna for the energy from the magnetic field on Earth and cosmic energy from, you know, far away. And before you say anything that doesn't exist, you are literally planting a seed in the ground and using the energy from the sun, which is millions of miles away, to grow your crops. So no, it's not a pseudoscience idea that there's energy that your plants can absorb. I think that's a common misconception. People don't want to admit that the sun is cosmic energy. So weeds are providing oxygen to other plants in the area. The oxygen is there, it exists for you, for your plants, and that paramagnetism is helping your crops grow. It's increasing your yield, it's increasing the microbial growth, it's increasing your root health, which as a farmer or a gardener is increasing your food to eat or sell. So it's actually vital to have some weeds. You obviously don't want them to overrun your farm, but weeds like dandelions and others that reach deep into the soil to pull up minerals and nutrients for your plants are actually vital to the ecosystem. So don't go hating on weeds because they're an eyesore or you just don't like them or someone told you not to like them. So you end up spraying toxic chemicals in your garden or pulling them up, which is basically causing the soil to erode and shrink. You have no aeration if you pull up all those roots. So you really don't want to pull up weeds. You don't want to kill your weeds. Maybe you could cut a few that are overgrowing if you have too many, but you want to have weeds in your garden. I'm making the case for weeds. Nobody's standing up for weeds, but I'm here telling you, you need to have weeds. And dandelions are probably the most common weed you'll find in your garden. And it just so happens that dandelions have some of the most medicinal properties in their roots, their leaves, their flowers. So don't look at it as a weed. Look at it as medicine for you. Look at it as a vector to create oxygen, to create paramagnetism in your garden to help your other crops grow. Stop hating on weeds. Weeds didn't do anything to you. And also, a lot of them produce flowers to attract pollinators. So unless you have a vast amount of flowers already growing in your garden, you need those weeds like dandelions to actually give nectar and pollen to the pollinators so that they can actually pollinate your other crops. So if you want to comment below and say weeds are the bane of your existence and you hate weeds and you sprayed all this glyphosate and all these toxic chemicals to get rid of them, well, that's up to you, man. I'm telling you, it's better to have weeds than to have a garden full of toxic chemicals because they're providing more than you think. They're not an eyesore. They're not a waste of space. They are friends. So stop hating on weeds. I love weeds, and you should too. Cool. Bye.